Hey everyone, how's it going? If you're new here, my name is Samantha and I go by Thrifty on a Dime on all my social media platforms. I talk all things reselling, whether it be online as well as in person. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, make sure you do subscribe as well as hit that little bell. It's just gonna alert you whenever I put out new content. And I snagged a couple boxes that I haven't been getting at recently just because it was, amidst of summer. And normally when they send you denim, this is a denim box, it is pants, and since it was summer I was like, I'll wait till close to the end of the summer before I get a couple of those. But I decided to get a few of the 30-pound ones, and you get 30 pounds for $32 and it's free shipping, but you do pay a little bit in taxes, so it ends up being like 35 or 36, something like that. So yeah, I was excited because I thought I was gonna get one of the warehouses that I actually like, which is Pennsylvania or Georgia, but I ended up getting Arizona. So I have a feeling, I'm hoping it's good stuff, but we shall see, I guess I should say. I'm not gonna be a pessimist, I'll try to be optimistic about this. All right, so off the top, there's a pair of Joe jeans. Joe is decent in certain styles. It's got the raw hem though, so that's nice. The main thing about jeans, if you haven't watched my channel before, is checking the crotch area as well as the bottom hems to make sure there's no wear, and then making sure like it zips and unzips, as well as there's a button, because on occasion I have missed that there was no button. But that's a good pair right there, so that we're on our way to making money rather than not making money. All right, these are just seven jeans, and these are definitely a dated style, but this is what I mean by the back hem. As you can see, it has some wear, so that's going to be a redonate or give to a friend so they can repurpose them. All right, this is just a pair of Faded Glory. Yes, these are Faded Glory, but these honestly are cute. They're a size 16, which is a great size, so I may end up listing these or just going ahead and sending them to Style Encore. I know Style Encore usually always gives me $4 to $8 per pair, and depending on the brand, sometimes more, and then also sometimes a little less, but it's very rarely less than $4 per pair of jeans. So that's kind of a good ROI if I get a lot of usable items in here. All right, universal thread. What size are we? The size tag is kind of sewn in, but it's a 12. Let me see if I can fit these, because I like skinny jeans and these are high-waisted, and mama needs some high-waisted right now. If not, they will be getting taken to Style Encore probably. All right, this is like a semi-dated brand, so it's not enough to actually matter, but it's enough that I can't list them because that leg hem is not in at all. All right, this is a good find. This is a size small by Zara, but the style is super cute. It's like the high-waisted kind of ruffle waist, and also acid wash, and it tapers at the bottom. So those will be definitely listed, and I think those and the 7 jeans should pretty much make my money back since it was only $36. All right, wax. Yes, so crotch area. Here is an example. Now this is like a really big example because you see holes, but as you see the fading, a lot of the denim will have fading, and you just won't notice when you're taking pictures, or I should say you'll notice when you're taking pictures. You won't notice it when you're picking it up all the time because you're just like, oh, this is a great pair of denim. But then you get them home like, oh, why didn't I check the crotch lining to make sure they weren't wore? Who knows? All right, this is just, I think, H&M. It looks like an H&M tag. And it's a size 8. These are super cute. I wish they were bigger. More than likely go into style. All right, a pair of Paige, and this is another example. The butt is super wore. So again, these will just be ones that'll need to be upcycled. Loft and Taylor. So far, oh no, the crotch is a little wore, but other than that, they're in really good condition. So I'm gonna try to take them to style, because they're not like super wore to where they couldn't be worn anymore in the crotch area, but it's definitely worn to where you can feel the snagging. Wax denim again. These ones aren't as wore, so I'm going to send those, we'll take them, I should say, not send, to Plato's in style. All right, fragile denim, and this has some holes, as you can see, so that is not sellable. I don't like to sell stuff that has a lot of wear. I guess it just depends on the brand, but that's definitely what I won't. All right, these are a size 0 from Old Navy, and looks like the knees are super wool, which is random for an adult pair of pants, but they're size 0, so I'm gonna see if my daughter can fit them. Old Navy. These are super stretchy. What size are we though? Size 4. And it's a decent size, but being that they're in great condition, they will go to style and they will buy them. And I can keep you guys informed to tell you how much I get from them. All right, so this one, I'm not seeing a brand. I'm seeing a random tag in it, but there's no lettering or anything on it. But I don't sell skirts, so that's getting redonated. All right, Hollister size 0. Another example of something that will probably fit my daughter. So I will let her try those on. They're not in like great shape, but they're probably like a 7 out of 10 as far as reselling them. But again, being a 0, I don't really want to resell those in my closet. I would take them just directly to Plato's closet. All right, what was this one? Diamonds and Threads. No idea of the brand. It's got the raw hem, and it's a size 3. There's quite a bit of denim in this one. That's awesome. Usually I get it to where it's like $1 per item or less. Kato. Another one. I'll just put it in the style pile because I don't know though, because it's kind of a little bit wider bottom hem there. All right, this is Calvin Klein jeans, and these are a men's. I am almost positive. And I do think they have some wear, especially at the bottom. They cut the bottoms, so. Donation pile. All right, this is a good find. DL 1961. Again, it just depends on the style and the size as well as wear, but these are in really good condition. Just, I think it's a dated style as far as the wide leg. So I guess we shall see. All right, Buffalo by David Fitton. There's lots of pulls all over this denim. It retails for quite a bit, but it resells not so good. Size 2. Too big for my daughter. All right, what size is this one? Old Navy. These look small. Yeah, size 0. Size 0. But even if, yeah, the knees are worn, this will just be like a play pair of jeans for my daughter if they are super wore, like I think. All right, this is a good find. AG. I'm not gonna try to pronounce the brand. It is a smaller size, a 26. It's my pre-pregnancy size, but they're in really good condition. So there you have it. 3 pair of jeans, because the first 2 that I had mentioned will pay for all of these. So even though my donation pile is pretty large right now, I'm not too worried. American Eagle Extreme Flex Slim Straight. Oh, these are men's. 30 by 32. I wondered because I don't remember a women's having the extreme stretch or whatever that is, or flex. But as long as there's no stains, American Eagle will definitely sell. I'm honestly surprised that I didn't get more shorts in this. Does it get cold in Arizona? I thought it was pretty hot year round. Maybe I'm just being silly and Maybe part of it is. All right, Lee's. This is an example. As long as it's not, yeah, it's like more of a boot cut. I'm gonna take those into style. Style pays more than Plato's. All right, a pair of Hudson shorts. Hudson shorts fit me so good, and these honestly feel big. A 28. I don't know if I can fit a 28 yet. It's gonna go in my pile, and I'm gonna see if they fit me or not. But I definitely don't think I'm at 28 yet. But I think the Hudsons run larger as far as the shorts, if I'm not mistaken. All right, Mossimo. These say a size 1, but these look a lot bigger than a size 1. And then a super wide leg. I might list these ones myself because they're more of a dojo wide leg than just the flare. All right, another pair of, oh, I thought these were something else. These are Level 99, which I believe, correct me if I'm wrong, is a decent brand, especially for retail, but as far as resale, I'm not for sure. I'm making sure that there's not that much wear. Nope. Oh, I missed part of it though. I don't know if you can see, it's pulled a little bit right here, but honestly, they're still in really good condition as long as you note that. I find whenever you put jeans on, if it's only a little bit like that, it should be okay. All right, Wild Fable 6S, which this is just a Target brand. How cute are these? Depending on when I'm gonna go and how much stuff I have to take, I may take those directly to Plato's, well, style first, then Plato's. All right, cut from the cloth, which if you're new to my channel, I have a Plato's and Style Encore, which are super close together. It's a little far from me, so it takes me about 50 minutes to get there. So usually an hour and a half to 2 hours, you know, round trip or whatever. And then the time that they actually look through the items, but they are like less than a mile apart. So it's easy for me to go to one as soon as they open so that they get through your stuff fast, and then you take it to the next one. And I always start at Style Encore and then move to Plato's. But yeah, these are cut from the cloth, size 10, and these are in really good condition and cut from is it for cloth or from cloth? I forget. Yeah, from the cloth. They're a decent brand. Some things do a lot better than the others though. It's not a high resale value. Let me count and then I will let you know casualties, how much I'm gonna sell, and how much I'm gonna keep. All right, guys, I'm back. So oddly enough, that ended up being 30 items exactly. So a little bit more than $1 per item, maybe like $1.07 or something like that, which is good, especially considering 9 of them were casualties. 5 I'm going to keep, and 16 I'm going to either take to Plato's and Style, or I'm gonna list online myself. Probably like half I'm gonna list online myself. The rest I'll just take to Plato's and Style. But yeah, so it ended up being 30 items, which is pretty awesome. But again, you gotta take away the casualties, which I only had 8 that I told you guys. And then as I was going through counting them, I noticed the American Eagle jeans men's had a hole at the crotch. So somehow I missed that. There you go. But yeah, I have one more box to go over and do another video for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. So don't forget to subscribe, and I hope you all have an awesome day.